There are only two steps to work continuously. The first step is when the piston moves upward, the space under the piston is enlarged. In addition, the intake channel that was originally covered by the piston wall is now open. This condition causes the air and fuel mixture sucked into the crank chamber. The second step, when the piston moves downward, the movement of the piston makes the crank chamber shrink, so that the air-fuel mixture in the crank chamber is pushed into the combustion chamber through the transfer channel. After that, return to the step 1, where the piston moves up again. The crank chamber is enlarged so that the air-fuel sucked in, while the combustion chamber is narrowed even though this space is filled with air-fuel mixture. This condition makes the air-fuel mixture and the combustion chamber is compressed so that the temperature and pressure rise. After that, continue to step 2, where the piston moves down. At this time, spark plug is sparked so that the compressed air-fuel mixture in the combustion chamber burns and produces expansion power that pushes the piston down. This condition is what we need to keep the engine running. At the same time, the piston movement causes the crank chamber is narrowed and the fuel mixture is pushed into the combustion chamber. And before the piston reaches the bottom dead center, the exhaust channel is opened. The fresh air fuel mixture from the crank chamber flush the residual gas to go out to the muffler. That's all.